Y'all, it's raining for real. It went from bad to worser. It went from bad to worser. So we just docked in Jamaica and we're about to go out. It looks nice. Well, you want to take pictures now? No, I don't need pictures right now.
And then add a few more.
This is sick.
You see, it says in a boring cup.
Yes, thirsty. I'm about to cut it out. We just came back from Jamaica and we're about to go eat something. And then wow, I look crazy. Fit check. So what? I forgot how to go. Fit check. Look, they put a frog out today. So cute. But yeah, we're gonna go eat. And yeah, I guess we're gonna relax. The door's still open. Yeah, we about to go down to Victoria's Secret. This is the elevator. So fancy. Look guys, there's no buttons. Like, you tell them where you want to go and they take you there. See, guys, you just like tap it and then like you take it and you go. Wow, this is what they do for Christmas, you guys. It's so nice. It's a tree. And there's stores all around. Yeah, I think the stores are closed right now because, you know, we're still at port. But I don't think they're open. Let me see. Yeah. So they're not open because it's like 3. So maybe we'll come back later. What's up, YouTube? Okay, so this is day 3, I think. I don't know. And we just got the Grand Cayman. So we're just like going to the beach today, I think. And then I think I'm gonna go get some breakfast. It's a mess in here. And yeah, that's all we're doing. Ready to go? You want to hold it?
We have direct flight for the countries as Canada, US, Bahamas.
Yikes. Oh my gosh, the beach is closed. Like, we can't even get in, y'all. You're sick. Guys, oh my gosh, guys, we can't go on the beach and now it's raining. Oh my gosh. I'm so sick. Y'all, it's raining for real. from bad to worser. It went from bad to worser. Oh my god, you should be waiting for the shuttle. It's cute though.
Lunch.
I'm literally fucking. I should beat your ass. But yeah, we're waiting for the shuttle.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow. So we just got done eating and now we're just sitting out on the little deck.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Wow, we're going to the other pool because yeah, we just want to. Yeah, we're just sitting out here on the beach. I mean on the pool. She said fuck your vlog. Respectfully, fuck this vlog. Oh my gosh, today was so good. We got to go out to dinner. Today was good. It was nice. Yeah. Oh, it looks good.
Can you focus on me?
Wow, we just got the cotton.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
We just got to Mr. Sancho. All right. Let's go, baby.
I can lay him out on the bed.
Yeah, we're in Cozumel. And we just about to get some drinks and some food. Say hi. Just say
Hello.
hi. Oh.
Yeah, Mexican water. That sounds about right. I promise you it's okay, okay?
I'm looking forward to that. This? I thought that was the party boat.
Tell me some have fun.
Yes.
Why the fuck we not having fun? For glory, that sounds like that.
We're going to get some food. Oh, that's what there's nobody behind us. This is awkward. I hate vlogging.
See this person worker.
So we're having a C day, and we just got done from the Dr. Seuss breakfast, and now we're just sitting out here on the balcony. Really not doing anything, and this is the last day of the trip. I'm so sad. I don't want to go home. Anyways, I guess we're gonna get pasta for lunch, and that's it. About to go eat.
It's just urgent. Trying to make some little change. Got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight.
I touch that's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told that.
And that's the end of the vlog. We just ended up going to the tea party, and yeah, we didn't really do much, and we're all packed up. We're about to leave tomorrow, so if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, follow me on the gram, you heard. Follow me everywhere, aka.vks, and yeah, leave a comment. Bye.